Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. When the Buddha was cultivating practice in the past, he saw the various Buddha lands all fully complete. The lands he saw this way were endless. All of them appear at this enlightenment scene. The Buddha's enormous spiritual power sheds light showering gems everywhere. This treasury of jewels is scattered over the site, beautifying the ground all around. Buddha's blessings and mystical powers adorn everywhere with precious gemstones, the ground and the enlightenment tree. Alternately emit light and sound expressing the truth. Precious lamps, infinite, rain from the sky, studded with regal sapphires, all emitting subtle sounds speaking truth. This the earth spirits cause to appear. The jewel ground manifests ubiquitous clouds of light. Jewel lamps blaze bright as lightning. Jewel nets hung afar cover above. Jewel boughs variously draped make decorations. Look over the entire ground, adorned with various beautiful jewels. It shows beings the ocean of actions, causing them to comprehend the real nature of things. The enlightenment trees in all the spheres of all the Buddhas everywhere all appear at the enlightenment site, expounding the Buddha's pure teaching. In accord with the inclinations of beings' minds, the ground produces wonderful sounds, conforming to what the Buddha would preach at his seat. Each of the teachings fully explained. The ground constantly produces subtle, fragrant light. In the light are chanted pure, clear sounds. If any beings are able to receive the teaching, it causes them to hear, and their afflictions vanish. Each adornment is fully complete, and could not be described in 1,000,000 years. The Buddha's mystic power extends everywhere. That's why the ground is beautifully pure. Then the great enlightening being, bold intelligence of the Son of Knowledge, empowered by the Buddha, looked over all the multitudes assembled on the scene, and said in verse, Buddha sits in the hall of truth with steady gaze, brilliantly lighting up the palace. In accordance with the dispositions of all beings, his body appears throughout all lands.